Hello, it's another Foodie Friday here on Tbsp TV, and also it's my birthday. So gawa tayo ng spicy Korean chicken, also using the trusted and very used air fryer that I got for my as advance gift for my birthday. So gamit na gamit siya. Ang dami ko na rin nagawa dito. I've made several dishes using the air fryer. And yun nga, for this episode, nagawa tayo ng spicy Korean chicken. Okay, very easy. Kailangan mo lang nito, breading. So I'm using Crispy Joy by Barrio Fiesta. Again, not sponsored by this, pero ito nakita ko, spicy na to eh. So, plus the sauce na gagawin natin. Okay, so the breading plus the chicken, ito. And for the sauce, gagawin na tayong garlic, onion, honey. Okay, this one, honey. And soy sauce. And ito pa, meron akong this one. Okay, Sriracha. Okay, so huwag nyo akong sisihin pagka sumama ang tiyan nyo na Sriracha ang tiyan ninyo dahil sa recipe nito. But I'm sure it's going to be good. Very simple and very easy to use, and biro lang, hindi masisira ang tiyan nyo. Just follow the, yun nga, malinis na pag-prepare, you know, alam nyo na. And let's go. Let's start with this. So first step would be this one. So yung chicken. Okay, so ang instruction lang naman dun sa breading mix na nabili natin is to, wala na iba, yun lang. Lagay lang yung chicken, then coat mo na lang. Let's just coat. Again, nagugas po tayo ng kamay. And this will go inside the air fryer. Itong chicken na to. So this is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 pieces. Okay. So mukhang okay naman itong breading na to. Kasi mukhang maanghang siya sa amoy pa lang. So hindi naman kailangan napakakapal ng ng breading natin, just enough. I think yung isang pack ng na nabili ko would be good enough for this 8 pieces na na gagawin natin. Here, okay na siya, na-coat na siya, and then we'll put the chicken sa air fryer. Don't need to put anything dun sa breading natin Wala na, hindi na yung may egg pa, may ano pa. Ito lang. Lagay lang natin siya dito. I think well coated na to, okay na siya. Then ready for the air fryer na to. Sa dito. Okay? So, chicken will go inside the air fryer again. For let's say 15 minutes muna natin or 10 minutes. So while nasa air fryer yung chicken natin, breaded chicken, we'll do the sauce. Gagawin na natin yung sauce. So let's go. Gawin na natin yung sauce. So, ito yung chicken naman. Hindi pa siya, at 10 minutes, hindi pa. Ayan, may dugo-dugo pa. Parang dugo-dugogang. But, I think 10 more minutes. See, pwede na yung isang side. So, baliktarin natin yung chicken pieces natin. Para mas mapantay. Pero, ayan o. Yan ang kagandahan sa, sa air fryer. Diba? Yan ang kagandahan. Diba? Hindi siya yung lalangoy sa mantika. Lulutong pa talaga ito. So I guess 10 more minutes. And then lalagay na natin siya dito. Then we'll just try to cover yung chicken na itong sauce na ginawa natin, made of honey, onion, garlic, honey, sriracha, and soy sauce. Meron pang yung Korean ingredient, wala naman ako nun, so hindi ko na nailagay. So for you, kung meron ka, anong pangalan nun? Chong 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 chong, hindi ko alam yun eh, kalimutan ko na. But obviously wala ako noon, so I'm not, wala sa recipe ko na dito sa Korean chicken. So, yan na. So, from here pa lang, as you can see, we can drizzle this with the sesame seed. So, here. Generous amounts of it. Partner niyan, syempre, rice meron. And then, ito, meron tayo. Korean na tayo. So, lagyan natin ito. Meron pa tayo nito. Okay? So, again, thank you for joining me here sa Foodie Friday, my birthday Foodie Friday, and then till next time here on BC Pin 3 TV. Thank you very much. God bless.